will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, I am a new YouTuber. I got good views for my first video. And if you are a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe. And if you didn't watch my previous video, I have given the link in the description. So today I'm gonna unbox I7S TWS airpod. It's a fake one, and it looks so similar to the original one. So in this video, we are gonna check it out, and we're gonna check its sound quality also. So let's unbox it. So guys, this is the airpod I told, and I bought this from Amazon for rupees 4.99. You can see you can get for this in this different colors: white, black, red, gold, pink. So behind this box, specifications are written. Specifications are written here. Model I7S TWS, wireless version 4 V4.2 plus EDR, speaker impedance 320, microphone sensitivity 42 dB, frequency 2.40 GHz, battery capacity 65 mAh and 950 mAh, working temperature 10 to 55 degrees Celsius, input DC 5 volt, transition distance 12 meter, playing time 3 to 4 hours, charging time 1 to 2 hours, standby 100 hours. It is compatible with iOS and Android device. This is made in China, and let's unbox it. So here paperworks are there, manual, and inside this manual we can see specifications about pairing, Bluetooth usage, warnings, summary and everything. So here is a charger. It's your USB type micro B, and here is the airpod. So this is the airpod, guys. Check this out. So it looks so similar as I told you, and you can charge while keeping this airpod in this box. Just press this button. See here, it's a blue light, that means charging. And check this out, two airpods have red color light, which means it's charging now. So check this out, here's the charging pin. You can charge this airpod in this box for 4 to 5 times once you charge this box. So it has a battery capacity of 65 mAh. I think it's a good one to buy for cheap price. And let's check this out by pairing it to a mobile phone. So I'm gonna connect this one. Still it's not connected to this one. You can also use this airpod with two different mobiles, two airpod in two different mobiles. So let's check it out, its sound. I only opened one, on one. Now the second one I'm going. So I've connected these two airpods to the Bluetooth. Now we can hear the sound quality of this one earpod. From this earpod, now you can hear from this both earpods. So this is the sound from this earpods. From my opinion, this airpod is an awesome gadget which you can buy for a cheap price. If you don't want to buy an AirPod from Apple for that huge price, you can buy this one for a small cheap price from Amazon. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updated by my new videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.